So I bought this kit on Amazon. It's a function generator, so I could practice my soldering. Right, Dad? Mm-hmm. And they sent it to me today. And the bag was open on the porch. And they sent me this. And the kit. Apparently some criminals broke in my bag and they built it for me. It looks like they had a pretty nice soldering iron too, and some skill from the look of things. So yeah, I'm almost done with that project. Now I gotta find something else to solder. Pretty sweet, huh, Dash? There you go. We're off to build a plastic case. Whee! So it turns out there's one interesting part to this project, right? It's a little challenging, and that's getting the paper off of the acrylic sheets. This wasn't exactly the challenge we were looking for over here, but what seems to help is if you blow dry them a little bit. It's a little hard, but eventually they loosen up a little bit from the heat, and they come off. Dash is been able to get them off, not me. Hey, we got one piece. So yeah, if you ever have this problem, just blow dry a little bit. But that was the interesting part of this. So I've been trying to get our magical pre-built function generator to do anything. We're hooked up to the new scope, and we got nothing, so I decided to make sure that we were getting power. I've got a 9-volt here, and the center pin is positive, so I'm using the red in the middle there, right, and black is going to the outer ring. And so we know that I'm getting over 9.5 volts. And when I plug it in, it's plugged in there now. We know it's going to juice, it has to. I bounced around to all the different speeds. I don't think it's making much difference. I tried both of the outputs, with the one for the sine and triangle wave, and then the other one for the regular square wave. And I've tweaked the buttons, and nothing seems to change anything over here. So we'll do an auto set one more time just to see if it's user error. I should at least get in the ballpark. Anyway, there you go. I feel like this thing's like our channel nemesis now. Like, now we have to get one working in here. So I'm gonna go see if we can't find one that we can actually build, that wasn't built for us by someone mysterious. But until then, I gotta say, don't go buy one of these. All right.